This video is 5 seconds long and it took 2 seconds 0.53 to make. The guys over at FAL have just introduced a new model called Minimax H3 Max, which is a post-trained video model, obviously using Minimax's H3. And the thing that's so incredible about this model is that it takes less time to generate than it is to watch the video. So let's give that a spin right now and see how it goes. So this is making a 10-second video. This should generate before 10 seconds. Let's have a look. Count it down. Can it do it? There it is. Okay. Just like that, we've got a video of a panda and a cat and a dog driving, and it is pretty great quality if you ask me for a request that took 7.61 seconds to generate. That is absolutely insane that's where we're getting to with video models. So yeah, today just going to run through a quick few examples of what this model is capable of. And yeah, definitely head over to FAL and give it a try. This is very exciting for video generation models. One of the things that's so hard when working with video generation is that it is something that takes a long time. Can take lots of minutes to sometimes hours to generate videos if you're using unlimited queues and all that kind of thing. And then if it's not quite how you want it, all of a sudden you have to rerun it again, and the process can be extremely tedious. So the fact that we can make high quality videos like this in less time it takes less time to make it than it does to watch it, that is absolutely game changing. There is no reference to video yet, but there is image to video, and there is text to video like the one I just showed you there as well. New hot models, we've got H3 Max image to video and text to video. I'll be trying a couple of those out in this video, so hang around to watch those. And the other thing is the pricing is very reasonable at the moment. It is 50% off for a limited time, but only 4 cents per second for the 768p version, and 25 cents per second for 480p. So yeah, very exciting, and let's get into more examples. Okay, so I'm going to go through now and run a couple of other examples. So the first one I'm going to do is a text animation, and for each one I'm also going to show how long it takes. So here we go. So we got the first one. So 15-second video. Should take not too long, should take 12-13 seconds, I'm going to guess, to get this one done, and we can have a watch in real time, which is insane to think about. So hopefully it's coming in now. It took 15 seconds, and there we go. How wild is that? Hey, perfect text intro, took 15 seconds to make, 15 seconds to watch. It is absolutely crazy that is even possible. So now we're going to do a bit of an IP check. So just going to do a bit of a Spider-Man classic one. See how that goes. Do an 8-second one for this one. All my prompts are going to be in JSON format for today, and if you want access to them, they'll be in the prompt vault that I'll link as well in the description. And here we go, we've got Spider-Man here. Took 5 seconds to make. I'm going to full screen it. So yeah, very unrestricted as well with IP, like the other Minimax H3 model, which is very interesting as well. So now we're just going to do a realism one, see how that performs as well. Do an 8-second, run that. So we're just looking to do a cyclist riding through a street here. And yep, that's pretty cool. And then the last one is going to be, I'm going to go and quickly test out the image to video model. I'm just going to test them out and say Ed Sheeran playing the guitar on stage, huge crowd, something really simple. Let's see how it goes through 8 seconds, and run that, see what the IP restrictions like for that. See how it performs. And I didn't check yet. It's the same price for this one. Nice and cheap model. So yeah, no problem with the IP restrictions. Obviously, that's a terrible prompt. I just wanted to quickly test that. So that's very interesting. And yeah, last one, I'm just going to do like the kind of like a realistic EGC style. So yeah. Okay, and so for the last one, I've got my prompt in, I've got my image of me, and 8 seconds, and we'll run that, see how it goes with the UGC style image. Alright, so let's see how this did.
And it generated faster than you can even watch it. This whole video was made with Minimax H3 Max, and it generated faster than you can even watch it. This whole video was made with...
If I'm honest, compared to some of the other models like Cdance and even one, that looks extremely AI. So obviously this model will have its strengths and have its weaknesses, and maybe UGC is going to be a weakness for this one. But, you know, like, I think that there's so many awesome strengths with this, especially for testing, cheap, fast, testing prompts. Obviously has less restrictions, lots of different use cases in terms of that where other models will not allow it. It's absolutely insane when it comes to text. A lot of people have done some really interesting intros, product launch style videos, animations, all those kind of things when it comes to this model, or the original Minimax H3 model. So this one is just another version of that. So yeah, definitely go and give this one a try, guys. It is extremely exciting, and yeah, very much looking forward to seeing what people are going to create with this in the next little while. So thanks for watching this one. I'll catch you guys soon for more AI news, tutorials and drops. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.